How's it going, guys? As you can tell by the title of the video, I am going to be hauling my 2003 Honda Civic Si, fully loaded, with the miscellaneous things. Right now, I'm on my way to my destination where my car is. It's about, say, 10 miles or less. Here's everything in the back. This is all basically all my tools and my equipment that I use for work. I'm going to be working on my 2002 Bug-Eye. You can see that build in another video. I will also be posting that up. This is a new experience with me on blogging and YouTubing, but I would like to make this big and make this eventually into a legit channel. We'll also be like I said, working on a WRX build. I blew the motor on, it's kind of sucks, but I blew the motor on December. I blew my motor on basically Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. I believe that's the 26th or so. Sucked. All I started hearing was, valve tap. It was like real light. Started getting louder. And I didn't really think of it for the minute or so it happened. And everything just happened quickly. It blew. But so I should say, I'm just rambling on. But that'll be for another video. So catch you guys in a bit. Open
up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open it. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
All right, guys, I'm halfway, to my destination right now. Here's all my equipment, shop equipment. I have a little tent there for shade, a little canopy, you could say. Here's my toolbox. This car is it's pretty spacious when you fold down the seats. They have, 240 split, I believe, rear seats. I believe so. They look even, I believe they're 40 inches. But, it's pretty spacious. The headroom is pretty spacious. I've actually moved from apartment to another apartment, with just my clothes and all my belongings that, that I wanted to, put back there. But, it was pretty, this thing has done like a lot of things for me. But, this is obviously my project car. But eventually, as my build comes together, and if I could share that with you guys, that'll be something that I'd really like to do with you guys. Another thing too, I'm actually not working right now, so this is somewhat, something that's kind of, pushed me to do this YouTube thing. I've been wanting to do the YouTube thing for a while now. I've always procrastinated about it. Well, here I am, took the coronavirus thing, this pandemic to finally start YouTube. But you guys just, bear with me and, come out for the ride. And that's it, help me grow. And hopefully this could fund my builds. This is something you guys could watch. That's, let's get it. And taking the exit right now. So, see you guys in a few. Don't know how to flip the camera right now, but taking the exit right now. Flip my phone. And there we have it. Sorry for the bad video quality, but show you guys how I loaded the car, and after that, it's a wrap.
Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open it. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
I was honestly thinking of getting rid of that thing, honestly, but possibly selling it, but but it's pretty nice, you know. It's my first Subi I got. I've always wanted a Subaru, but yeah, but here's my Civic right here. I don't know if I can't flip the cam, but it's not bad, you know. The rear's dropped probably about like 1.5 inches, maybe 2. But it basically sits like that, you know, if anything. It's it doesn't sit, you know, it's on D2 coilovers right now, and they were pretty stiff, you know. It wasn't really much of a bouncy ride, but I can go ahead and start showing you guys how I loaded this thing. I can tell you guys also what I have in here. You guys stuck in the video this far. I have like a box of Tupperware back here. I also have a canopy down here. I also have an engine hoist. You know, that was the main. You know, that was the main part of the load. That was a pretty heavy load regarding that. But I guess just start pulling everything out. I'll set the canopy up for my shade right here. My plans were to pull the motor today, but I guess I'll wrap it up with that video, guys. And you know, just keep in tune. You know, you guys could keep it up, or as I should say, you know, follow my next video right now. You know, this will be the end of this video, but this wasn't really much of a review, but you know, it was something just to get me going, you know, my YouTube thing. But peace, guys.